Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and creativity. Specifically, we're asking, can machines create art? Now, let's be clear, AI has made significant strides in various fields, including art. We've seen AI-generated music, paintings, and even poetry. But can machines truly create art in the same way humans do? Well, the answer is a bit complex. AI can certainly produce art-like creations, but it's important to remember that it's still a machine. It doesn't have the same emotional, cognitive, and creative abilities that humans do. Artificial intelligence and creativity. Can machines create art? Introduction. The rise of artificial intelligence AI has ignited debates across various fields, including the arts. With machines increasingly capable of performing complex tasks, the question arises, can AI create art? Traditional views of art have been closely tied to human experience, emotion, and expression. Art has long been seen as a domain of human creativity, a reflection of individual perspectives, culture, and emotions. However, AI technologies ranging from generative algorithms to neural networks have made significant strides in producing creative works such as paintings, music, poetry, and even literature. This development challenges the conventional understanding of creativity and the role of the artist. In this article, we will explore the growing intersection of artificial intelligence and creativity, delving into the current capabilities of AI in the artistic domain, its potential implications, and the philosophical questions it raises about authorship, originality, and the nature of creativity. 1. The evolution of AI and its impact on the arts. The first serious efforts to apply AI in creative fields began in the mid-20th century. Early attempts focused on algorithms capable of mimicking human-like behavior, such as the famous Turing test, proposed by Alan Turing in 1950. The test aimed to determine if a machine could exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from that of a human. In the arts, AI's involvement started with computational creativity. Early AI experiments in music composition, visual arts, and literature were often rudimentary. One of the first examples of AI-generated art was created by Harold Cohen's program Aaron in the 1970s. Aaron was designed to draw simple images, and over time, it became more sophisticated, generating complex drawings. This marked the beginning of an exploration of AI's potential in creating artistic works. Today, AI's involvement in the arts has evolved with the advent of deep learning and neural networks. These technologies enable machines to analyze vast amounts of data and recognize patterns, giving AI the ability to generate more nuanced and complex works. Artists and researchers are now using AI tools not only to assist in the creative process, but also to produce entirely independent works of art. 2. How AI creates art. AI's approach to creativity can be broken down into several key methods. Generative adversarial network scans. One of the most innovative techniques in AI art creation is the use of generative adversarial network scans. GANs consist of two neural networks, a generator and a discriminator. The generator creates new images based on the data it has been trained on, while the discriminator evaluates these images, determining if they are real or fake. Through this adversarial process, the generator improves its ability to create images that closely resemble the training data. GANs have been used to create everything from hyper-realistic portraits to surreal and abstract art. A notable example is Edmond de Bellamy, a portrait created by the Paris-based art collective Obvious using GANs. In 2018, this portrait was auctioned at Christie's for $432,500, sparking debates about the value of AI-generated art and the question of whether machines can truly be considered artists. Style transfer and neural networks. Another popular method for AI-generated art, style transfer, which uses neural networks to apply the style of one image to the content of another. For example, an AI can take a photograph and transform it into a painting that mimics the style of famous artists like Van Gogh or Picasso. This technique has been used in applications such as Prisma, a popular app that allows users to turn their photos into artworks in various artistic styles. See, music and literature generation. AI is also making strides in the realms of music and literature. In music, AI systems like OpenAI's MuseNet and JukeDeck can compose original pieces in various genres by analyzing existing music. These systems generate music by learning patterns in melody, harmony, and rhythm from vast datasets. While the results can be impressive, many critics argue that the music lacks the emotional depth that human composers infuse into their work. Similarly, AI has been used to generate poetry and prose. For instance, GPT-3, an advanced language model developed by OpenAI, is capable of producing human-like text, including poems, stories, and essays. While AI-generated literature can mimic the structure and tone of human writing, it is often criticized for lacking true creativity or emotional resonance. 3. The question of creativity. At the heart of the debate surrounding AI and art is the question of creativity. Traditional definitions of creativity often emphasize originality, intentionality, and emotional expression. In this context, creativity is seen as a distinctly human trait, something that emerges from consciousness, experience, and the capacity for personal reflection. However, AI challenges this notion by producing works that, on the surface, appear creative. Yet, AI's creativity is different from human creativity. AI does not possess emotions, intentions, or consciousness. Instead, it generates art by processing large datasets and following predefined algorithms. In this sense, AI's creative process is more about pattern recognition and reproduction than true innovation. This leads to an important distinction. AI can produce works that are novel and aesthetically pleasing, but can it truly be said to create art in the same way humans do? Some argue that the value of art lies not just in its visual or auditory appeal, but in the artist's intent and the context in which it is created. A painting by Van Gogh, for example, is valued not only for its beauty but for the emotions and experiences it represents. Others contend that creativity does not require consciousness. If AI can produce works that are perceived as artistic, then it has achieved a form of creativity, even if it operates differently from humans. In this view, creativity is not restricted to human experience, but can be seen as a broader concept that includes any process capable of generating new, valuable, and aesthetically interesting outcomes. 4. AI as a tool vs. AI as an artist. The debate also touches on the role of AI as a tool in the hands of human artists versus AI as an autonomous artist in its own right. Many contemporary artists use AI as a tool to enhance their creative process. AI can generate ideas, help refine techniques, and inspire new directions in art. For example, artists may use AI to explore new styles, create unexpected juxtapositions, or produce generative art in real time. In this scenario, AI is seen as an assistant to human creativity rather than a substitute for it. However, some artists and technologists believe that AI has the potential to become an independent creator with its own artistic vision. AI-generated art that is created without human intervention, such as paintings, music, and poetry entirely composed by algorithms, raises questions about authorship. If an AI creates a work of art, who owns the copyright? Is it the developer who created the AI, the machine itself, or the person who commissioned the work? These questions are not just theoretical. In 2018, an AI-created artwork was sold at a major auction house, raising issues about the legitimacy of AI as an artist and the value of machine-created art. If AI is truly capable of creating independent works of art, does it deserve the same recognition as human artists? 5. The future of AI and art. As AI continues to evolve, its role in the arts is likely to expand. We may see AI become more integrated into collaborative creative processes, with human artists and machines working together to push the boundaries of what is possible. AI could also democratize art by making creative tools accessible to those who may not have formal artistic training, enabling new voices and perspectives to emerge in the creative world. However, the increasing presence of AI in the arts raises important ethical and philosophical questions. For instance, as AI becomes more proficient at generating art, will it devalue human-created art? Will artists become obsolete, replaced by machines capable of creating faster, cheaper, and more impressive works? These questions remain open, and the answers will likely shape the future of both the art world and the relationship between humans and machines. Conclusion: can machines create art? The answer depends on how we define art and creativity. While AI can undoubtedly produce impressive and innovative works, it lacks the consciousness, emotions, and intentions that many believe are central to human creativity. However, AI challenges traditional ideas of what constitutes art, pushing the boundaries of creativity and questioning the very nature of artistic expression. Ultimately, AI's role in art may not be about replacing human creativity, but about expanding the possibilities of artistic exploration. As AI continues to evolve, it is likely that we will see a deeper integration of technology into the creative process, leading to new forms of collaboration between humans and machines. Whether AI can truly be considered an artist or not, it has undeniably opened up exciting new avenues for creativity in the 21st century. So, while AI can create art-like outputs, it's not quite the same as human creativity. It's more like a tool that can assist in the creative process. Thanks for joining us in this thought-provoking discussion. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, keep exploring.